Hello student. In my last videos I had started already logarithmic differentiation and we have completed few questions. Today we will start from question number 12 of exercise 5.5 and you see the question is find dy dx of the following. Question number 12 is x to the power y plus y to the power x equal to 1. If you notice properly, these are implicit functions. The previous functions are explicit because all the functions are expressed in terms of x, or y is expressed in terms of x explicitly. But now here x and y, we cannot separate it. That means these are implicit function. Implicit function, but together with that their powers are variable. So we have to take logarithmic differentiation. Procedure is same as the earlier. So here we cannot take directly logarithm because there is sum between them. So what I will go to do? We have to use some variables in place of x to the power y and y to the power x. As earlier I just name it as u and v. U plus v is equal to 1. What is u? U is x to the power y and v is y to the power x. Okay. Now we will take derivative ddx of u plus v, and that is equal to ddx of 1. Okay, and on the left side du dx derivative sum rule we can apply. Du dx plus dv dx, and ddx of constant is 0. So this we mark it as 1. And now our aim is to get the values of du dx and dv dx. This is your u. U is equal to x to the power y, and as we know the power is a variable, that's why what we'll go to do, we take logarithm on both sides. So here u is x to the power y, we take log on both sides. Taking logarithm, we get log of u is equal to log of x to the power y. On simplification, we get log of u is equal to y will come as a product y into log of x. Now simplification step is done. Take ddx on both sides. Ddx of log u is equal to ddx of y into x. Here this is the product of two functions. So on the right side we have to use product rule. On the left side you have to use chain rule. So using chain rule, thinking u as x, we can use here log x formula. Ddx of log x is 1 by x, so it will be 1 by u du dx. Here applying product rule, it will be equal to first function derivative of the second function plus second function derivative of the first function. That is du dx equal to u y. Ddx of log x is 1 by x, log x, and this is dy dx. Okay, and after that we get du dx equal to, put the value of u is x to the power y, y by x, log of x, dy dx. So here du dx we have got. Now our aim is to get the value of dv dx. So this is your v. V is y to the power x. Again power is a variable, so take log on both sides. Log of v is equal to log of y to the power x. Power can be written as a product, that is x log of y. Then taking ddx on both sides, ddx of log v is equal to ddx of x into log y. Okay, and here on the, after this we can use the formula of derivative, which will give you, this is log v derivative, that is 1 by v dv dx. This is the product rule you have to apply. First function, that is x, into derivative of the second function log y, plus second function, that is log y ddx of x. After this, the next step dv dx, as we know that v we have to bring to the right side, so v x you keep it as it is. Take the derivative of log y, you have to think y as x, that will give you ddx of log x formula, which is 1 by y, and as you think y as x, so dy dx, plus log y into ddx of x is 1. So dv dx equal to, put the value of v, which is dy to the power x, this is x by y, dy dx plus log of y. Hope you understand it. Now we got the value of dv dx, and here we have got the value of du dx, and now our aim is to get the value of du dx and dv dx here in 1. 1 is what? Du dx plus dv dx equal to 0. So you see here I have substituted. 1 implies, put the value of du dx, x to the power y, y by x, x to the power, just here you see I just opened the bracket here, x to the power y, y by x plus x to the power y log x dy dx. That in this way I have written this solution. Similarly here also, y to the power x into x by y dy dx, this is y to the power x into log of y. This is equal to 0. Now as we know here As we know, our aim is to get the value of dy dx, so I just keep the terms containing dy dx on the one side. Dy dx taking common, we'll have it here. This is the term containing dy dx, and this is another term containing dy dx. So dy dx taking common, x to the power y log of x plus y to the power x into x into y to the power x minus 1. Here I have used the laws of index and I combine this y to the power x and y. The remaining term I just bring to the right side, that is y to the power x log y. On the right it will be negative. And here x and x we can combine, y into x to the power y minus 1. Then what is dy dx? This is all the numerator and this bring to the denominator, and that will give your answer of this solution. Hope you understand how to do this type of question. Procedure is similar, but here ultimate step you have to combine what? Dy dx together. From all the expression you have to come together this dy dx and do the solution. Okay. Now let us go to question number 13. Your question number 13 is y to the power x is equal to x to the power y. This is also an implicit function because y and x cannot be separated. So you have to take logarithm on both sides, because this is directly we can take logarithm here. Okay, there is no sum and difference, so directly we can take logarithm because the power is there. Okay, and power is a variable. So we take log on both sides. Log of y to the power x equal to log of x to the power y. This will come as a product, x into log of y and y into log of x. Simplification step is done. Take ddx on both sides. ddx of x log y is equal to ddx of y log x. Here product rule have to apply. X ddx of log y plus log y ddx of x on the right side. This is first function, this is second function. So y ddx of log x plus log x ddx of y. Okay, and after this the next do the simplification. On simplification, this is x ddx of log y is what? 1 by y dy dx. Log y ddx of x is 1. Y ddx of log x is 1 by x log x dy dx. Now our aim is to find out dy dx. So term containing dy dx you bring to the one side. Dy dx taking common, we will have what? X by y, and this bring to the left side, become minus log of x. On the right side we'll have y by x and bring this to the right side, minus log of y. So what is dy dx? This is the numerator and this is a product is there, so it will be in the denominator. So this is your dy dx. I have done one more step of simplification. That is what I have taken LCM in the numerator, that is 1 by x is the LCM, y into x log y, and here also 1 by y I have taken common, or you can think it as taking as a LCM we can have. Here I have taken common, same thing, x into y log of x. And then like taking the reciprocal, y will come in the numerator, x will come in the denominator. So y into y minus x log y and x into x minus y log x is your answer. Hope you understand the solution. Now I go to question number 14. Your question number 14 is cos of x to the power y is equal to cos of y to the power x. Powers are variable and also x and y cannot be separated. So implicit function, power is variable, so take logarithm. You see, I had told each and every question I used to say that what is the method I have applied. Because you see, in your exam, the questions are given, differentiate, but what method to apply, generally it's not mentioned. You have to decide yourself what is the proper method of doing the differentiation. That's why I used to say everywhere what is the method and why I have applied this method. Okay, try to clear these things. So here taking the power as a product, y will come as a product log of cos x, x will come as a product x into log of cos y. Taking derivative on both sides, ddx of y log of cos x, ddx of x log of cos y. Okay, here this is the product, this is one function of variable and this is another variable. Product of two functions of x are there. Product of two function is there. So first function derivative of the second function plus second function is this one, derivative of the first function. Same is true on the right also. X ddx of log of cos y plus log of cos y ddx of x. Okay. After this, our aim is to take the derivative of log of cos x. Log of cos x derivative is what? 1 by cos x ddx of cos x. Plus log of cos x dy dx will keep it as it is. X keep it as it is. ddx of log of cos y. Log of cos y means cos y will be your x now. 1 by cos y ddx of cos y, and log of cos y into ddx of x is 1. Up to this, hope it is clear. Now we go to the next step, that is what? Y. What is 1 by cos x? ddx of cos x is minus sin x, log of cos x dy dx. 1 by cos y, ddx of cos y is minus sin y by y. You think it as x and then the derivative, so dy dx you have to take, and log of cos y. Okay, after this I just take the term containing dy dx together, which is dy dx log of cos x. This I bring to the right side. This is negative, so right side it will be positive, x by x sin y by cos y. Then on the right side, without dy dx term is log of cos y. I bring to the right side plus y sin x by cos x. Okay, then this is what dy dx, taking common dy dx, we got it, and here I just write down sin by cos s tan, and this is also sin by cos s tan. Then what is your dy dx? Dy dx is log of cos y, y tan x by log of cos x, x tan y. So this is your solution of question number 14. Now I go to question number 15. Your question is xy is equal to e to the power x minus y. Power variable, again as earlier, take log. Log of xy directly we can take, as there is no sum or difference. So log of xy is equal to log of e to the power x minus y. Log of xy can be written as log x plus log y, because mn product can be written as sum. This is power x minus 1 log of e. Log x plus log y, x minus y. What is the value of log of e? Log of e, the log of e to the base e, nothing is mentioned, means e to the base e, right? And e to the base e is equal to 1, as I told you earlier at the beginning. So ddx of log x plus ddx of this one, ddx of x minus ddx of this, taking ddx on both sides. ddx of log x is 1 by x, ddx of log y is 1 by y, dy dx, ddx of x is 1, and this is dy dx. Now the next step, hope you understand, you have to take the term containing dy dx together. So term containing dy dx are 1 by y dy dx, and this is bring to the right side plus 1 dy dx. This is 1 minus 1 by x. So what is dy dx? This is the numerator, and this one comes as a denominator. Taking LCM, x is the LCM, x minus 1, y is the LCM, 1 plus y. Okay, and dy dx equal to, I just bring to the y to the numerator, y into x minus 1, x into 1 plus y is the answer. Okay, now the next question number 16. Here the question is given, find the derivative of the functions given by fx equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8, and hence find the value of f dash 1. You see, this the function is given, and our aim is to get the value of f dash 1. That means f dash x at the point x equal to 1. Okay, so since this is a product of 4 functions, so instead of using product rule, I'll go to use here logarithmic differentiation, because logarithmic differentiation can be used in the case of what? Product of a large number of terms. So I've just written here what is our fx. Fx is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. Taking logarithm on both sides, log of fx equal to log of this expression. Log of fx, keep it as it is. Log of product can be written as log of sum. So log of 1 plus x plus log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus x to the power 4 plus log of 1 plus x to the power 8. And then let us take the derivative. Taking derivative on both sides, ddx of log of fx, ddx of log of this expression, ddx of log of 1 plus x square, ddx of log of 1 plus x to the power 4 into ddx of log of x to the power 1 plus x to the power 8. And you see, fx, if you think it as x, ddx of log x formula can be used. Log x is 1 by x, so it will be 1 by fx. And ddx of fx is, you have to do ddx of fx. Now, this is what? ddx of log x. This is 1 by x into ddx of log of 1 plus x. Again here think it as x, 1 by 1 plus x square ddx of this one. Again think it as x, ddx of log x is 1 by x square, 1 plus x to the power 4, ddx of 1 plus x to the power 4. And similarly, log of x to the power, ddx of log of x to the x plus 1 plus x to the power 8 is 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into ddx of 1 plus x to the power 8. Then I bring this fx to the right side, and ddx of fx is f dash x. Fx is this, ddx, it is, keep it as it is. And what is this? Here you see log of 1 plus x, ddx of 1 plus x is 1. 1 by 1 plus x square, ddx of this is twice x. 1 by 1 plus x square, x to the power 4 is 4x cube. 1 by 1 plus x to the power 8 into x to the power what? 8, x to the power 8 is 8x to the power 7. So f dash x is putting the values of fx. I get 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power 4 into 1 plus x to the power 8. And this one simplification give you 1 by 1 plus x, twice x by 1 plus x square, 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power 4, 8x to the power 7 by 1 plus x to the power 7. So f dash x is completed here. But our question is to find out the value of f dash 1. So in place of x, you have to write down now 1. So putting 1 in the place of x, we will get what? F dash 1. What is f dash 1? 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 square, 1 plus 1 to the power 4 into 1 plus 1 to the power 8. This is 1 by 1 plus 1, 2 into 1 by 1 plus 1 square, 4 into 1 cube by 1 plus x to the power 4, 1 plus 1 to the power 4, 8 into 1 to the power 7 into 1 plus 1 to the power 8. Doing simplification, this is 2, 2, everywhere 2. Product of 4 2's, this is half, 2 by 2, 4 by 2, 8 by 2. Doing the simplification step, this is 16, half, 1, 2, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 will give you, 1 plus 2 plus 4 will give you 7, this is half. Half plus 7 is 15 by 2, cancelling, we get it what? 15 8 are 120. So the answer of f dash 1 is equal to 120. Now I go to question number 17. Your question number 17 is what? This is a very lengthy question, you see. Differentiate x cube minus 5x plus 8 into x cube plus 7x plus 9 in 3 ways mentioned below. That means this question you have to do by using 3 methods of differentiation. One by using product rule. Product rule, you know, that is, you think it as u and v, and uv rule apply. By expanding the product to obtain a single polynomial. That is what? First you multiply these two and express as a polynomial, then take the derivative. And thirdly, by logarithmic differentiation. Taking log on both sides, we have to do the differentiation. And the question is asked, do they all give the same answer? This is your question. So, hope you understand it. Your function is given, you have to first do it by using product rule. Then you have to do the derivative of this function by using what? Expanding it as a polynomial, we have to do it. And after that, taking logarithmic differentiation, we have to do the differentiation. So one by one, let us do the solution. And here we are going to simplify the steps because our answer lastly we have to compare. Are they same or not? So the first way, by using product rule. First one. Let us name it as y. Y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 8, x cube plus 7x plus 9. By product rule, I just find out derivative ddx of y is equal to ddx of this expression. dy dx, this is u and this is v. So u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. So x square minus 5x plus 8 into ddx of this expression. This expression, that is x cube plus 7x plus 9 into ddx of x square minus 5x into 5. Okay, I have used here u into v rule. The next step, what to do? Do the simplification. dy dx equal to, keep it as it is, ddx of x cube is 3x square into ddx of 7x is 7, ddx of x is 1, ddx of 9 is 0. So I have not written here 0. So this is what? X cube plus 7x plus 9, keep it as it is, ddx of x square is twice x, ddx of minus 5x is 5 into minus 1, minus 5 into 1. Then I have done the product. X square into 3x square give you 3x to the power 4, x square into 7, 7x square, plus minus minus, 5 3s are 15, x cube, plus minus minus 7, this is 35x. After this we just do a product with 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24 into x square, 8 7s are 56. Then similarly we did the product also. X in cube into 2x will be equal to 2x cube to 2x to the power 4. X cube into minus 5 plus minus minus 5x cube, 7 into twice x, 7x into twice x is 14x square, plus minus minus 7 5s are 35x, this is 9, 9 into twice x is 18x, plus minus minus, it 9 5s are 45. Then I just combine the term, like terms together. X to the power 4 expression, this one is there and one more here this is. So combining these two we get 5x to the power 4. Now see, go for x to the power 3. 15x cube and here minus 5x cube, minus minus plus, minus 20x to the power 3. Then consider the term containing x square. 7x square, 24x square will give you what? 31x square. 31x square plus 14x square, that is equal to 45x square. Combining the term containing x, 35x minus 70x plus 18 gives you minus 52x, and the constants. Your constants are 56 minus 45, which is equal to 11. So we have got one answer by doing product rule. I just mark it as number 1 as I have to use it later. Okay. Now I go to the same question. By what is the second method? Express is as a product of single polynomial. So I just write down what is our y. Y is this much. Doing the product, ordinary product. X square into this one, x square into this one, that is x to the power 5, 7x cube, 9x square, minus 5x, you product with all this, plus minus minus, 5x to the power 4, plus minus minus 35x square, plus minus minus 45x, plus 8x cube, plus 56x, and this is what? 72, plus plus. Okay, combining the like terms, 5x to the power 4, x to the power 5, to the power 4 expression is here, this one only, that is 5x to the power 4, cube expression 7, 8, 15x cube, square expression plus 9 minus 35, which is minus 26. X, this one and this one, 11x and plus 72. Now the product is done, we have to do the differentiation now. We have expressed as a product, polynomial, single polynomial, now we are going to take ddx on both sides. So taking ddx on both sides, what we will obtain here? ddx of y is equal to ddx of the whole expression. dy dx, ddx of 5x to the x to the power 5 is 5x to the power 4, 5 constant, ddx of x to the power 4 is 4x to the power 3, plus 15 constant, ddx of x cube is 3x square, minus 26, ddx of x square is 2x, plus 11, ddx of x is 1, ddx of 72 is 0. 5x to the power 4, 20x cube, 45x square, 52x plus 11. If you see, number 1 and 2 are similar. You see 55x 4, 20, 45, 52x. It is 1. 20, 45, 52. Okay. So 2 and 1 we have got similar. Now we have to do by using logarithmic differentiation. So the same expression again I have taken. Y is equal to this one. Taking log on both sides. Log of y is equal to log of this expression. Log of product can be written as log of sum. Take simplification done. ddx you take. ddx of log y is equal to ddx of log of this plus ddx of log of this expression. Now doing the differentiation, log of y is 1 by y dy dx. Log of this expression, think it as x. It is 1 by x square minus 5x plus 8 into ddx of x square minus 5x plus 8. Now again here I have to think this as x, 1 by x cube plus 7x plus 9 into ddx of this expression. Okay. And after that this y as is bring to the right side and this become dy dx equal to, what is this? Let us write down x square minus 5x plus 8 and this derivative I have written in the numerator. This is twice x minus 5. X cube plus 7x plus 9. Okay, taking the differentiation, 3x square and this is 7. Now as I have to compare with the previous result, so I cannot stop it here. I have to do the simplification steps. Okay. So here what I am doing, y will be substituted, taking LCM on both. This is product. This one you have to multiply by this expression and this one you have to multiply by this expression. So here. Then denominator will be, here you see this denominator and the numerator are similar expression, so cancel out. Only twice x into x cube plus 7x plus 9 plus 3x square plus 7 into this is left. Doing the product, we have done the ordinary product, okay. And doing the product, we got this expression and simplification give you this answer. Then here you see, compare with this previous one, we see that from 1, 2 and 3, all the answers, method gives you the same answer, okay. So here this question is completed. One more question of this exercise left. Let me complete it. With this, I can complete the exercise of logarithmic differentiation. So your question is, if u, v and w are the functions of x, then show that ddx of u, v, w is equal to du dx, u into v into w, u dv dx into w, u, v into dw dx in two ways. First by repeated application of product rule and second by logarithmic differentiation. So you see this is the proof of the result, the product of three functions. You have to prove the result by using two methods. One is repeated application of the product rule, that is u into v rule, and the next one is what? By logarithmic differentiation. So first I have done by repeated application of product rule. And first we name it as y is equal to u v w. I just combine these two as, putting the bracket inside bracket, I just make it 1 into this one. That means this is as u and this as v. So ddx of y is equal to ddx of u v into w. u v I just take as one function. So this is first function u v, ddx of the second function w. w ddx of the first function u v. Okay, I have applied one time u v rule, that is a product rule. Then here dy dx, y value I have substituted uvw, keep it as it is, dw dx. Here I have to use again product rule, w is common, using u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. Simple direct formula of application of derivative. Then what is du ddx of uvw? uv dw dx, again opening the bracket, wu dv dx and wv du dx. Okay, and just written as it is given in the question, du dx, that is the first term, vw. Then dv dx I have written vu dv dx w. Then uv and dw dx. So first part is completed, first way, that is the repeated application of the product rule. Then I will do the same question by using logarithmic differentiation. So y is equal to uvw, take log on both sides. Taking logarithm, product can be written as sum. Now after simplification, take ddx on both sides. Ddx of log y is equal to ddx of log of u plus ddx of log of v plus ddx of log of w. Taking differentiation, 1 by y dy dx, 1 by u du dx, 1 by v dv dx, 1 by w dw dx. So what is dy dx? Y into this expression. After this, let us substitute what is y. Y is uvw, 1 by, then opening the bracket. The same time I have done the same. Because of space only I have done the same step. If you want, you can write down one more step of substitution 1 and then do the product. uvw 1 by u du dx, uvw 1 by v dw dv dx, and y is uvw 1 by w dw dx. Cancelling pw du dx, here uu cancel out, here vv cancel out, uw dv dx, and this is ww cancel, uv dw dx, and hence we see both the method we have got the same answer. And with this, here logarithmic differentiation is completed. These are very important question for exam purpose also. Listen the video properly, then do the solution. Okay, thank you.